Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So today I would like to talk about Google Documents with iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how you can add the footnote on your documents. So basically this footnote is used to add informations, but then it's not going to be included into the page of the documents or the main body of the documents. So here let's just jump into the tutorial right away. You just need to open the application and open the documents here. So here I already have this document and I have a lot of things that we can see. And if you want to add the footnote, you just need to go click edit first, activate the edit part here, go click this pencil button and go click this plus button on the top side here. Now you just need to scrolling down and there will be footnote information, so you just need to tap it and they will be give you a part that you can type the informations to. So basically it's for adding the reference of the information that put in the document, so you can just put anything on it. So let's say here I'll let to say trial, and then you just need to go click this checklist button after you're done, and you already got this footnote here. You can also do for other pages. You just need to activate the page by click the cursor in the specific page that you want to have it, and just the same go click this plus button and then just click the footnote, and you will cut the change to add the information for your footnote. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.